my goodness. I forgot my sunglasses at home. I forgot my sunglasses at home. I can't even see it. Oh, there you go. Oh, when your sporty ones are. What are these, Oakley?
Your sunglasses,
I got it yesterday.
yesterday.
No, you know what? The day I was gonna get it, I thought. Appointment on July 7th. It's just a follow-up, so Ba can go himself this time. It's just a follow-up, just a check. Yeah. And then he's done. They originally wanted to do it the 14th, but Ma made an appointment that day. Mommy, you have an appointment on the 14th, right? Appointment to Minga. Teeth? So my dad's back from his eye appointment, and he just go back on the 7th for a follow-up in July. But everything went well. He's just relaxing upstairs right now, so I'm just having my breakfast. Well, I had a pizza on the way there, but I'm just eating something my mom made for me right now. The kids are all up. Baker's back asleep in the hammock. I see you. I see you. It wasn't a bad night last night. I put like the sofas together in the left seat and made like a big, kind of like a big crib. I'll show you guys after. I'll show you now. So when I used to sleep over a long time ago, oh sorry, my strap. I used to put them together. I would sleep on this side, obviously. So Cassidy slept here, Carter slept around here, he moved around. But at one point, around 3 o'clock last night, I had all 3 babies in there. Blake was even sleeping in there. My baby. Coffee tastes really good, Mommy. Thank you. So I've got like caw. I have like salt fish in here. Tofu chicken. Maybe an iPad over here, Mama?
Hả?
You can play their iPad if you want.
Nó iPad đây là nó vô mà chả.
I don't let them play while they're eating them. After they eat.
Xin bạn con hỏi rằng bay xa hay.
So I put one for the other one. You guys can play your iPad after. Save Papa's battery, okay? Now she's watching Thai movies, Mommy, too?
Ôm mới tao vào YouTube.
Oh.
Dạ mới tao YouTube còn.
But Jane doesn't watch Korean. She only watches Thai.
Mẹ đây thế nào? Má lên cam thôi.
Carter, Cassie, where are you? There you are. I see you. Fun, Lexa? Yeah? Yeah, you did it. Carter, how old are you? Money, how old are you? 2. Lexa turning to Lexa 1. Yeah, Lexa, how old are you? Yeah, almost. Mani, what's your name? What's your name? Cassidy. What his name? Yeah. What's her name? What? What's her name? No, her name's Lexa. What's his name? Yeah, get your. What's mommy? What's my name? Yeah. What papa name? Yeah. What gong gong name? Yeah. What his name? What's his name? What's her name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Money. Oh, Money, it fell. Oh no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh no. Okay. Broken. Uh-oh, who's pulling it? No pulling. You see Papa? Wow. Oh, Blinky. Who's that? Got mommy's camera? No, don't do that, Manny. It's house. Don't broken house. No jumping. No jumping. Oh, Blake eating mommy's camera. Blake's moving around. Look at Blake. He's moving around. Manny, what are you doing, baby? See, Gogo, say stop, Manny. You have to respect that. You gotta respect. Okay? Let me fix it. Sit down. Sit down. You wanna sit down? Cassidy. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh my God, it's so cute. That's so cute, honey. Oh my gosh. If it's just for my parents, it's fine. No.
them happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, mommy.
No, it's okay.
You like it?
As long as you like it, it's a
Where's
good
the
one.
rice cooker? Happy anniversary, mommy.
No, happy anniversary.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, mommy. It's okay.
Thu Hoài bánh này đã.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Anniversary.
Yeah.
You need it. It's good for you.
We'll do an unboxing.
No, không ban đã.
No, it's okay. No, it's better. It's better. It's better to cook your brown rice and everything.
Vừa rồi.
No. It's the same price as mine.
À.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's actually less than mine, mommy. It's less than mine. It's okay. We're gonna go for a car wash. Put him to look at himself. He just stopped.
It just feels so tight in Vaughan, man. Everything crowded or something.
I know, honey.
Oh, shoot.
See yourself, baby?
Everything's so congested here.
See yourself, sweetie? I think you're missing. Where's the
there.
turn? Oh,
Oh my gosh, so sharp.
so weird. Careful, car's coming too. Honey.
It's weird.
See, Blakey? You see yourself?
I wanna go, man. Jeez. Taking long, man. Go at least.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Son, yeah. We're gonna go through the car wash. Going through the car wash now. Okay.
Yeah.
Every time she says okay, it sounds like okay. Sounds like Little John. Doesn't it sound like Little John, honey? Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Who wants gum? Who wants gum? Mommy, I got. Okay, mommy, I got. Okay. It's okay. See? Car wash. Clean up. Dirty car. See? Car dirty. Here you go, baby. See? It's okay.
See, I didn't see it at my dad's, but
Yeah.
I went to the one by
Baby car. Blake was okay.
the one Richmond Hill by our Costco.
Yeah.
They had it. See, it depends on the Home Depot.
Yeah.
Some of them just ran out.
Oh.
They didn't refill it.
See? Almost done. Hi. You're scared. He's really scared.
It's okay.
It is louder, this one though, eh?
Yeah, this one's kind of loud. I thought it's like
I thought it was touchless.
that's what I thought. No, but this is soft cloth. It doesn't scratch it. It's very soft.
Doesn't matter how. Soft cloth, but after a guy with dirt, it's soft cloth with dirt, eh? Okay?
Okay, guys. All done, okay? You guys are scared.